kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do simple interest. Our learning objectives are interest and its kind and calculation of simple interest. So first is interest and its kind. Sometime we have to borrow money for the period of time. Then we pay some extra money as the charges for using the borrowed money. The extra money which we pay using the money is called the interest. Suppose I have borrowed 100 rupees and after a certain period I have to pay the money. So for that, using that money, I'll pay some extra amount. Suppose I'm paying 110 rupees. So that 10 rupees, extra 10 rupees, that is called the interest. When the interest is paid on the regular interval agreed upon, it is called the simple interest. If the interest is not paid on time, further interest is charged on this interest. Then the total interest is called compound interest. So this is simple interest and this is compound interest. The money which you borrowed is called the principal. Total money, that is principal plus interest, written is called amount. Thus, amount equals to principal plus interest and interest equals to amount minus principal. The interest on every rupees 100 for 1 year is called the rate percent of interest. When the time is not mentioned, the rate is understood as per year. The time after which the principal is returned with the interest is called the time period of interest. Next is calculation of simple interest. So, principal rate percent and time period determine the interest. Simple interest equals to principal multiplied by rate percent into time. Principal rate percent हो जाएगा rate upon 100 into time. So, simple interest equals to principal into rate into time per 100. Next is fact file. The rate percent and the time period must be in the same unit of years or months or days. These are the different form of formulas to calculate interest. Now we will take an example. Find simple interest on rupees 800 for 2 years at the rate of 8% per year. Here the rate percent and time both are in years. Same unit as simple interest, principal into rate of interest into time. So 800 into 8 upon 100 into 2, that is rupees 128. That is the simple interest. Clear? Next is exercise 17. Find the simple interest when principal equals to rupees 320, rate of interest 2% per month and time 1 by 2 years. So here interest rate, that is per month, time is in year. So we have to convert into month. 1 by 2 years. So that is equals to 18 months. 12 plus 6, that is 18 months. So now simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. That is the formula. So principal 320, rate of interest 2, time 18 upon 100. Clear? 0 to 0, 5. So that is equals to 576 upon 5. That is equals to rupees 115.2. So that is the simple interest. Clear? Practice all the questions here. Next, let's recall. Take the correct options. A woman borrowed a sum of rupees 3000 for a friend. She promised to return the amount after 1 year with simple interest 8% per annum. The total amount required to return will be. So first we'll find out the interest. Simple interest, that is equals to 3000 Written after 1 year. Time is 1 year. Simple interest, rate of interest, that is 8%. So 8 into 100. So 30 into 8. Rupees 240. That is the simple interest. Now we have to find the amount, that is principal plus interest, that is 3240 rupees. So C is the correct option here. Clear? Practice all the questions of this chapter. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.